So I read the book Rich Dad Poor Dad back in the day, and I thought, okay, I'm gonna go buy real estate. I bought 3 properties. My first property, I walked around with my chest all puffed out. I'm a real estate investor. Second property, I got a little bit hyperventilating. By the third property, dude, I was sick to my stomach. You got things that break, right? I now had a part-time job. And I realized I couldn't scale. And then we help you build that, then leverage that into turnkey real estate. You're gonna be the CEO of a portfolio. You're gonna know what winning means. Orlando, so not too far from you guys.
Yeah.
That's phenomenal. What brings you here?
Just wanted to meet new people.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You guys in the space, door to door?
Yeah, door to door, yep.
What do you guys do?
Public adjusting.
Public adjusting.
Mm-hmm.
Public adjusting. I've never heard that done through door. Yeah,
So-
is that taxes?
So we help property owners with their insurance claims and making sure that they get approved by the insurance companies.
Got it, man. Is that a lucrative business for you guys?
Yeah, we do pretty well.
I love that, man. I love that. All right, so you're here. What inspired you to come here and talk to us about retiring 10 years or less?
I mean, we're not going to do this forever.
Yeah.
Eventually, we'd like to, move on with our lives and settle down and just kind of be free.
So if you started today with an intention to settle down, be free, how would you do it?
So my goal, I guess, that I've talked with one of my brothers from another mother is just start getting, I guess, properties at a relatively early age. So, kind of not renting and then getting properties over time to eventually rent out, build equity, and then that's pretty much my goal there. In terms of stocks and other investments, I've heard about mutual funds are pretty good, but I don't know a whole lot about that space.
So I like it. Real estate's one side. How about you? How would you do it?
It's going to be real estate as well. I already
real estate.
have one house, and I'm hoping by the end of this year to have a second one.
Where do you get them?
Where do I get what?
Where do you buy your real estate?
It would be in our kind of hometown area.
Okay. So are you self-managing them?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. You mind if I give you a little story?
Go ahead.
All right, man. So I read the book Rich Dad Poor Dad back in the day, right? I was stuck. I was making good money. And I read Rich Dad Poor Dad's book, and what did he say? Cash flow. Cash flow is the game, right? And I thought, okay, I'm going to go buy real estate. I bought 3 properties. My first property, I walked around with my chest all puffed out. I'm a real estate investor. I'm gonna be honest with you. You can keep watching YouTube videos about financial freedom for the next 5 years and still be in the exact same spot you're in right now. Binging content, but no real progress in your financial plan. Now, I know this because that's what most people do. Or you can be in the room where it actually happens, with millionaires, with billionaires. At Rise Up Live. Rise Up Live is a 2-day masterclass event in May 1st and May 2nd in St. George, Utah at the luxurious Black Desert Resort. You're in a room with 300 people who are serious about building freedom. Ken McElroy, a real estate billionaire, is speaking. We're breaking down real estate, cash flow, tax strategy, and the passive income systems that make it all possible. The entire blueprint for retiring in 10 years or less. You're not sitting in some convention. You're not just taking notes. You're actually doing the work where you're going to be leaving with a real actionable plan, real connections, and the exact frameworks and access to the investments that have helped thousands of people actually do this. Now listen, there's only 300 spots. Tickets go up in price the longer you wait, and the link, it's right below this video. Second property, I got a little bit hyperventilating. By the third property, dude, I was sick to my stomach because I now had a part-time job. Right? And dude, real estate's no joke. It's challenging. You got things that break, right? You got things that you have to, tenants you got to talk to, evictions. I'm the worst, dude. When my tenants would call me, I would cry with them. I'd end up paying the mortgage. They'd get rent free. And I realized I couldn't scale that system of finding property, rehabbing property, and renovating property. But I knew, just like you guys knew, that real estate's the key. So for me, how I did it, we actually started working with what we call turnkey assets. I want to own the real estate because real estate, like you said, Lee, goes up in value, right? I know it's going to go up in value every single year. I know everyone always needs a place to live. I just don't want to have to find the property, rehab the property, renovate the property, manage the property, but I want to own it.
Okay.
So this entire system, what we help people do is, dude, our system would help you. It looks like you could do it based on your current inputs. You could be financially free in 10 years, generating $8,700 a month of tax-free income.
That would be great.
Dude, check that out. Tax-free income.
That's I guess I don't know if it'd be called passive income, but outside of our current
outside of your current active income, because you got to go knock the doors, you got to talk to people, you got to run your business to make the money you're making right now. It's dependent on your time.
Yeah.
This is why I said you can't scale a real estate empire if it also takes your time.
Yeah.
So what our company does is we bring to the table a system where, and dude, we're not in Daytona, we're up in Jacksonville.
Okay.
So we bring fully rehabbed, fully renovated, fully managed properties. You'd own them as part of a system that would generate cash flow. I think probably one of the biggest things we do for you is just overlay everything you're doing with a tax strategy. That way we reduce your taxes on your active income and eliminate them on your passive income. And if you had, according to your numbers, if you had $8,700 of tax-free spendable income, that replaces your current spendable income according to the numbers you put on the calculator. That's financial freedom. And then as you guys grow up, as you want to have kids, as you want to settle down, as you want to travel more, it just becomes a game. Like, you only need 12 properties to do this. What if you want to have twice as much income so you can go do more fun things? We just double the assets that you own. That's how the entire system works. What would happen for you if you had $8,700 a month coming in of passive income? How would that change your life?
Passive income? Oh, I'd probably play a lot more golf.
Heck yeah. What would you do, Lee?
Probably just travel.
Travel. Where would you go? Number one.
Number one? I don't even know.
Okay.
Like, I like going up to Mass, that's where my dad lives, but like I wanted to check out like Colorado, or I don't know, come to Utah.
Yeah.
Like not for like a conference thing.
Yeah.
Like, go to national parks.
Yeah. Well, let me invite you to do this. Let's see. You guys both have books, right?
Yes.
So since you love golf, let me actually look this up. One of the assets that we own inside of our community is this asset right here. We built it. It's a golf course. The PGA tournament's held there. It's called Black Desert Golf Resort. There it is right there. We're hosting a live event there, and we're going to teach people. I mean, we already teach people out, but all of our clients and community members are coming there. It's in April. You guys should check it out. April 30th, May 1st, May 2nd. But here's the thing I know. You guys, 100%, if you're making the money that you're making, I mean, all this calculator shows you is taking the money that you currently have, instead of putting it into a mutual fund, right, or wherever you guys might be putting it into a system that spits out tax-free cash flow and compounds that system for you for 10 years.
Yeah.
That's all it would take.
So how does, I guess, I don't know, how does that work, or what tells you about that?
Like, how would it work for you?
Yeah.
Okay, so the way our company works, we just gave you a summary of what a game plan would look like.
Yeah.
We sit down with you individually, one-on-one, and we figure out, okay, what does an actual game plan need to look like for you? We break it down into what does financial freedom mean from a measurement standpoint, so there's a target of what you know. Then we break it down into what's your first 90-day objective. That first 90-day objective, probably for you guys, just without knowing your situation, for business owners and for door knockers, it's usually a tax strategy.
Yeah.
So step number one, we need to reduce your taxes. So we'll bring a full tax strategy to the table, lower your taxes. Step number two, if you're already saving money, you need a plan of where to put that money, that you control it, that it's tax-free, that it's not going to be subject to market fluctuations, and then we help you build that, then leverage that into turnkey real estate. And we just repeat that process over and over and over and over again. It's really, might sound overwhelming in the beginning, but it's super simple.
Okay.
That makes sense?
That sounds like something I really am into.
Yeah. So what were your numbers, Lee?
I put pretty much the same as him, but like I was previously salaried, just switched to commission over the past year. So I kind of have like an idea of like where my annual income is going to be. Because obviously, you know, it changes based on commission. But
Are you
like,
full commission?
I am.
You're full commission. You're W-2. You just went from W-2 to 1099 commission.
Yeah, in the second part of last year.
Okay, so there's an amazing thing with this, and I don't know if you guys have it yet. Like, when you're 1099, the entire tax code opens up to you guys. W-2, there's like nothing you can do, right? When you're W-2, you're just stuck. There's no deductions. But 1099, I mean, do you guys struggle or stress out about taxes?
Yeah.
I don't know how it works. Yeah,
okay.
Because I haven't gone through a tax
feels-
cycle, so.
Have you gone through one?
This is going to be my first one as full 1099.
Okay.
It's like figuring it out as I go.
Dude, I'll tell you what, you're going to go talk to a CPA and you're like, I'm paying too much in taxes. Guess what they're going to do? They're going to shrug their shoulders. I don't know. Like, CPAs, they look in the rearview mirror. They look at what you've already done. Tax strategy looks through the windshield. We look forward to say, look, you're going to pay minimum or maximum 10% of whatever you make. 100,000, 10 million, I don't care. We're only going to pay 10% in taxes. What do we need to do? How do we need to structure your income to get there?
Yeah.
And so then we just put systematic strategies in place to lower your taxes on your active income, You're going to pay your taxes once. Think about it like paying your taxes on a seed. Then we're going to plant that seed in a fertile environment where you'll never pay taxes again. And the numbers that I gave your iPad away, but those numbers, that's tax-free income for you.
Yeah.
And that's how the whole game works. That's our company builds all of that so you can stay focused on making money. You know where to keep it. You know how to eliminate taxes, and we can just compound it for you.
Yeah, I've felt personally like I have like no idea what I'm supposed to do to go forward, but I know there's a way to do it. I just don't know what it is.
Yeah, I love
This is
that.
a winner. You got to sign this one. Big winner.
These guys are winners, man. These guys are killers. I love it. So
Yeah.
I'd love to. If you guys go through that, I mean, you can check out information on there about the events. If you're a golfer, dude, come golf. We'll set it all up for you. But our community, they own the assets. You own the real estate. You get all the tax advantages. We just make it passive for you. That way you don't have to find the properties.
So it's pretty much like, sounds like it like takes care of like the property management.
All of that.
Okay.
You're gonna be the CEO of a portfolio. You're gonna know what winning means, and then we're gonna have all the work done for you on the back end, so it truly is passive income. That way you get all the upside, you get all the profits, but you don't have to trade your time to scale a portfolio.
Okay.
That's the biggest challenge, and that's where I got stuck. After 3 properties, I'm like, dude, I can't go any further. It's a part-time job, but dude, honestly, I suck at managing properties. I can't fix anything. I cry with the tenants whenever they call me up. I couldn't do it, but now I own, I'm almost own 78 properties right now,
Wow.
and I spend probably about 5 hours, maybe 7 hours a month managing the portfolio, not necessarily the individual properties.
That's great. That's great.
Cool. All right, guys. Well, if you have any questions for me, you good on that?
Yeah.
Well, let's go make it happen, man. Let's get some financial freedom going. I love my Daytona people.